temperature, humidity, leakage, whatever. I talked also about customization with endless possibilities. For example, with our patent versatile wiring solution, my colleague Jean-Nicolas Tisserand, end of October, presented this already at the TechBlick convention in Berlin. Or was it Berlin? I don't know anymore. We developed a possibility to implement our sensors into nearly every surrounding. What you see here is an endless layout that can be printed roll to roll. And for example, for what you can see here is a temperature sensor that we printed 200 meter longs, and we can cut off this at any point. And we can, for example, make 10 meter long stripes. We can make 20 meter long stripes and read it out all with one electronic in the end. This is also where, for example, in the little summary came from with the bioreactor. We have a customer that is using this, for example, on the outside of a bioreactor to, in every 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter steps, control the temperature on the outside of the reactor.